Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 15-minute full body workout. All you need is a light set of dumbbells, so grab those and we'll get started. Bringing our feet hip width apart and parallel, you're going to take your right foot back into a reverse lunge and then drive that right knee in towards your chest as you really stabilize through that front leg. Here we go. All right, take a rest, you guys. We are going to head into side 2 of that reverse lunge. So this time the left foot is going back into that lunge and then the left knee is driving in towards the chest. Again, stabilizing in that front leg and really using our core to lift that knee. Rest. All right, you guys, walk your feet slightly wider than the hips, turn the toes out slightly. We sink back into a sumo squat. On the lift, we twist and reach the left arm up over the shoulder, squat, and then twist opposite way with the right arm over the shoulder, using your core, squeezing the glutes. Rest. All right, you guys, stay in that sumo squat position. We're just going to hinge over our legs, slight bend in the knees. You're going to sink down to your lowest point and then lift halfway, finding that nice small range of motion, really pushing those heels into the ground. Right, come upright, and we are heading into some upper body work. So drop those weights by your side. You're going to take a bicep curl. At the top, you're going to flip the palms away from the body, lower the arms, and then flip the palms again. So you're finding that nice deep squeeze in the bicep. job, you guys. Staying in that upper body, you're going to take your arms to a 90-degree bend, press them up to a goalpost, squeeze it shut, drive the elbows down, and then slide it back open, creating this box shape as you work the lats and the shoulders. Here we go. And rest. All right, you guys, keeping our feet hip width apart, you're going to hinge forward from the waist, reach the arms long. We're going to take a narrow row, driving the elbows back, and then a nice big chest fly, opening those arms out from the shoulders, working that upper back and mid back. Breathe and meet me down on the ground to head into some glute work. We're going to come onto all fours. Take one of your weights behind your left knee. Hands are underneath your shoulders. Flex that left heel and then squeezing the glute to press the heel up to the ceiling. Tap the knee back down, really working the base of the glute. Breathe. Nice job, you guys. Heading into side two for this glute work. Just switch that weight over to the right knee, flexing the right heel, squeeze the glute to press that heel up to the ceiling, and then carefully control it back down, keeping our back nice and flat, core engaged. Rest. Meet me down on the left side of your body. We're going to head into some side glute work. So take one of your weights and place it on top of your right thigh. Extend that leg straight, flex the heel, and we're just going to find a little lift and a little drop, working the outer glute. We will head into side 2, so go ahead and carefully flip yourself around, and this time you are going to place that weight on top of your left thigh as you extend that left leg straight, flex the heel, and find that little lift and drop. Rest and meet me on your backs. We are heading into single leg glute bridges. So you're going to take your weights on your hips, extend your right leg up to the sky, and then squeezing through your left glute to lift the hips up, control, and tap them back down. Here we go. Breathe. Nice job, you guys. Side 2 of the single leg glute bridge. Switching at those legs, extending that left leg up to the sky. Squeeze your right glute to press those hips up, and then carefully control them back down to the ground. Here we go. Right, heading into some more upper body work. You're going to take those arms over the shoulder, palms face in, slight bend in the elbows as you slide the arms open, and then squeezing the chest to bring those weights right back up to the top. Really focusing on our chest here. Breathe. For our final exercise, you're going to place those weights on top of your hips. Walk your feet slightly wider than your hips and turn your toes out. And we're just going to find a glute bridge as we squeeze those glutes to lift the hips up and then control them back to the mat. All right, you guys, lose those weights and give yourself a big round of applause. That is all we've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. If you did, please let me know in those comments. I love to hear from you, and we'll see you next time.